Good morning, Bill. Right now I'm walking on Broad Street, which ordinarily is one of the busier surface streets in Charleston's historic district. But because of all of the icy conditions, many people heeding the warnings to stay off the roads. And even those who are braving the roads are taking it very slow and easy. I want to show you now an image of one of Charleston's historic palmetto trees. You can see snow on top of these palmettos, trees you ordinarily associate with warm weather, an area that is simply not used to such heavy snowfall. In fact, Charleston International Airport recorded 5.3 inches of snow. The National Weather Service says this is the third highest snowfall amount on record. The runways remain closed at this time. The airlines have canceled early flights this morning. Here in Charleston, local bus service is suspended and police are urging people to avoid driving if at all possible. The roads are still icy. Overnight, we saw several fender benders and multiple vehicles that had slid off the highway. And in Savannah, Georgia, 3 cars of an Amtrak passenger train derailed while backing into the station. 311 passengers were on board. However, there are no reports of any injuries. Right now, it's unclear whether the weather played a role in that incident. Bill, back to you.
I want to keep it safe out there, certainly. Thank you. Jonathan Serrie, walk there in Charleston.
That is something to see snow on the ground in Charleston.
Be a good, yeah, isn't it?
Wow.
Remarkable stuff.